Hello, once again welcome to Mathline channel. In this channel you will be getting a basic maths lesson every week. Those who have not watched the previous lessons, please watch from the beginning and continue watching. So let us start today's lesson with a new topic, that is properties of equalities or equations. Why equalities or equation? Both are having same properties. As equation is a type of equality only, or equality is a type of equation only. So both are having the same properties. Either equations or equal, they are different form. We can say equalities as numeric equation, or we can say equations as algebraic equations. Both are equations only, or both are equalities only. Clear? So we will study their properties. Properties of equalities or equations. So here let ABC represents any real numbers or any expressions. Any real numbers or any expressions. Then the first property is that if A equal to B, it is an equality or equation. If A equal to B, then B equal to A. That what happened? LHS and RHS interchanged. Then also the value of equation unchanged. If A equal to B, then B is equal to A. Second one, if A equal to B, then A plus C equal to B plus C. What changes are done? In LHS, we added C. It can be a real number or expression. The same you have added in the RHS also. Then also the value of the equation unchanged. It will be equal to only LHS equal to RHS. That is the second property. What is that? We can add the same number or expression to both the sides of an equation. Next one, if A equal to B, then A minus C equal to B minus C. Similar to addition, subtraction. What is that? We can subtract same number or expression from both the sides of the equation. That is from LHS and RHS. If A equal to B, A minus C equal to B minus C. Whatever changes you are doing in LHS, same change you have to do in RHS. Here subtracted C, here also subtracted C. Then what happened? A minus C equal to B minus C. Next one, similar to addition and subtraction, now multiplication. A into C equal to B into C. Same condition, if A equal to B, that is a given equation. Then what changes are done in LHS and RHS? We multiplied by C. In LHS, same number or expression multiplied. In RHS also. Then also the value of the equation unchanged, or it become equal to only. A into C equal to B into C. Next one, division. A upon C equal to B upon C, or A divided by C equal to B divided by C, if A equal to B. So what is that property? We can divide the same number or expression by both the sides of the equation or equality. These are the important properties of equality or equations. Now, example for these properties. Look at this example for the first property. If A equal to B, then B equal to A. Here see the equation, see, 2 into 3 equal to 6. It is an equality or it is a numerical equation. Then 6 equal to 2 into 3. Is it correct? If 2 into 3 is 6, that is understood. Then 6 is equal to 2 into 3. What we have done? Interchanged LHS and RHS. Now comes to the second property. The given equation is same. 2 into 3 equal to 6. Then what happened? 2 into 3 plus 4 equal to 6 plus 4. Here what is added in LHS? 4 is added. In RHS also 4 is added. Then also these two are equal. 2 into 3 plus 4 equal to 6 plus 4. That is the example for the second property. Now third property. The given equation is same. 2 into 3 equal to 6. So what is happening here in LHS? 2 into 3 minus 6 equal to 6 minus 5. 2 into 3 minus 5 equal to 6 minus 5. We can check this. 2 3s are 6. 6 minus 5, 1. Here also 6 minus 5, 1. Clear? Now next property. The given equation is same. 2 into 3 equal to 6 or 2 into 3 into 7. Here multiplied by 7. In RHS also 6 into 7. Then also it is equal to only. See, 2 3s are 6. 6 7s are 42. Here 6 7s are 42. So we can multiply the same number or expression by both the sides of the equation. Now last one. 2 into 3 equal to 6. That is the given equation. Or 2 into 3 upon 7. What is upon 7? Divided by 7. Equal to 6 divided by 7. So what is done? Divided by 7 on both the sides of the equation. Then also 2 into 3 upon 7 is equal to 6 upon 7. These are some important property of equality or equation. So what are they? If A equal to B, then B equal to A. If A equal to B, then A plus C equal to B plus C. If A equal to B, then A minus C equal to B minus C. If A equal to B, then A into C equal to B into C. If A equal to B, then A divided by C equal to B divided by C. So what is the property in general? Whatever changes we are doing in LHS, same change you have to do in RHS. Then the value of the equation unchanged. Then also both the expressions are become equal. Clear? So that is all about the properties of equalities or equation. It has great applications in arithmetic operations or solving word problems, which is very important. So thank you for watching this lesson. If you like this lesson, please press like button. Have a nice day. See you next week with a new topic. Bye bye. See you. Thank you.